Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all the videos, and also if you want to buy books, you can go to the second video and click on the link, and you can buy the trading books or investment books or YouTube accessories from our Smart Trader store in Amazon directly. Okay, and for the ones who wants additional services and training from me, you can WhatsApp my customer care team 7892652481. Only WhatsApp, no calling option. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your link, so your account in Zerodha or Upstock by clicking the link. So without wasting time, let's start off with our live trading session for the day. So I've just taken a stock in Ultra Cement Co. I looked at the stock. I know the market is neutral right now. Okay, from 0 it came up to 0.13 also. But during that period, this stock is getting pushed constantly. So almost from 3958 I was watching this stock. So the stock went up. So I just spoke the same on my channel, that observe above high. So yeah, 3971.90 I just told them. Stock was around 3963 somewhere. It broke that and went up to these levels 7-8. Okay, so after that I tried to put an order. So I took it around 3978.55, not a problem. So I'll try to observe from my levels only for me. Somewhere I feel the stock has the potential to touch 4,000 for the day. So keeping in that concept, I just took the stock. And if you also see, the stock has an advantage. What advantage? Open and low is equal almost. 3868, here also 3868 low. So stock is currently at one directional, so that is one advantage, and Nifty is slowly towards the neutral, that is neutral, positive neutral right now. All right, so keeping those two advantage is what I'm trying to look at this particular stock. It's a 39 rupees stock. Obviously the stock will fluctuate very much. Almost if you hit 10 rupees only, you will get 0.3%. Oh, okay, I should have put more quantities, but it's fine. The stock I am taking at a higher level, so I don't want to take risk, because the stock already moved from the level which I was seeing. By the time I sent message and I came back, the stock broke. People who are not yet joined my Telegram channel, this is only for learning purpose. No recommendation, no target, no nothing, no stop loss, nothing, only for observation. Here you observe and get mature in the market. Only idea is you should not lose your hard-earned money at a very fast pace. You need to learn the market step by step. Only by observing you will learn the market. So I'm just making a habit to a lot of people out there. So it's a closed group. So if you see, it has come up. It went up to 3985.90. If you see, the stock has currently moved around 3994, and I'm waiting. I was thinking it'll go up to 4,000. So that was the idea, and I'm heating my breakfast for the day. So I get up, in my sleepy eyes I will look into the market, because I keep my alarm at 9 o'clock and it hits at 9:05, 9:10, 9:15. Somewhere around 9:30 I will struggle, and I get up and I look into the market. And that's why if you see early morning, my voice will be very rough, and sometimes I won't be able to talk also, but still I will try to talk. Later part of the day, once I get ready like this, I keep recording my mobile, because using laptop was like an old method. Always using laptop, you can't take laptop everywhere, you can't get out of the house, there is no freedom. So but this mobile, initially it was difficult for me to trade in mobile, but using it every day, what happens? You become better day by day. That's the secret. Now a lot of people say, how can you trade in mobile, that this. If you know why are you picking a stock, you know why you're entering a stock, you know how to exit a stock, doesn't matter it's a mobile or a laptop, you will do your work. All right, Now it came somewhere under 3998, somewhere the levels which I thought, that is 4000, right? Perfect, it has come to those levels, and maybe it can break and go also, but it will be in fraction of seconds, so I should be very careful. Where is my pending order? All I need is, it's not that I need 4000, it's just my happiness that it should touch 4000, so I'm just seeing like this carefully. So finally it touched 4000. I'm happy, but I don't know what order it sold my order. So yes, exactly at 4053 it sold my order, so I'm really happy. What I predicted, it happened, and it went up to 4004 also, no problem. Good thing only, but I am happy because anyways 10 rupees was my target, but I wanted to see 4000 in my eyes, and I got it. I just waited for some time. Anyways, let me finish eating my breakfast. Hope you guys are trading safe. So always learn first. It's not so easy to trade, so only when you learn, things become easy day by day. For me also, every day is a new challenge, new things come up to me, but my past experience and learnings help me to handle these situations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.